How to change music in Madden NFL 25, or how you can simply find soundtrack for the Madden game here. For this, I will show you how to edit it actually in this video, so please follow the main steps I'm showing you right now. There are total 67 songs in the game, however only 33 songs can be listened to in all menus. So the other 34 are unchecked by default, meaning you can only use these 34 ones. Firstly, here is how to change music in Madden NFL 25. Go to the main menu screen, press the share button on your controller or the key T on your keyboard. Go to the EA Music tab once on your PC or the game port. Once you access the secret EA Music menu, you will see the entire Madden 25 soundtrack, which includes the traditional songs and the classic tracks as well. However, the neat thing is you have always turned on the classics track to hear them regardless of where you are in the game or what you want to modify. So this is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching it.